So, what do you think we need to do to make this place better?
Yeah, as the better this is coming on road, somebody is coming outside here, again here. Why is coming there is a road thing.
Okay.
After that is coming to this area, somebody now signboard.
So we need signboard.
Yeah, if there is a signboard, what is the little road is back to
Okay.
first time. Future, because somebody goes straight, it is called that small car is coming, very dangerous. It's very better is no, it will develop after the road better.
Thank you.